How is your energy doing? Grounding, protection, passion for what you are doing for yourself, for your relationships. Grounding, root chakra. Oh, and prosperity as well. Clear quartz. Protection, magnification of the other energies for all the crystals. And this one is Unikite, pink and green, heart, balance, health, wealth, well-being. Crytsals, throat chakra, letting go, removing any blockages in your throat chakra from speaking, from saying what you need to say, for speaking up for yourself. So what is the energy reading for today? Ground yourself, allow you to feel your power, your empowerment, your special gifts, your uniqueness come through your heart center so that you can heal from any past hurt, disappointment, whether it's a personal relationship with yourself, with someone else, some kind of anything that didn't turn out anywhere close to the way you wanted. And then Chrysacola, what are you saying to yourself when no one's around? What are you saying out loud to other people? There's a difference between, well, it's a fine line actually, about sharing your feelings and then tipping the scales, the energetic scales, to actually manifesting more of what you are talking about. It's such a delicate, almost like a tightrope. So, protection. You have 2 stones for protection. Clear quartz and red jasper. Healing for your heart center, because when your heart is open, regardless of whether you want to be in a relationship, have a relationship, or want to get out of one, when your heart chakra is balanced, when you are coming from your heart space, things can be easier to let go of and to embrace, to see the different opportunities that the universe and the angels, your guides, spirit guides, are sharing with you, showing you, and helping you to see more clearly. And then, what is it you really desire? I mean, below all the surfaces of the I want this, I want that, absolutely everything spot on about that. It's just, what do you really want? If there were no limitations about finances, education, opportunity, belief in yourself, what is it? And then write it out. And you can write out any fear that you're feeling, because your conscious mind, your Charlie, that's what I named mine, is perfect for self-talk, for trash talking you, your dreams, your aspirations, your beliefs, and putting a damper on your manifestation. So protection, passion for who you are and what you want to do, what you are doing. Prosperity, protection again, magnifies the energy of all these other crystals and your intentions. Heart centered focus, or heart center focused. And then speaking your truth. What is it you're really, really wanting? Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.